What's going on, guys? My name is Alan. This is Driven Daily. Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's having a great weekend. Today, guys, we're going down to the Lowe's car meet. We're going to check out some cars. Haven't been to a car meet in a while, so it should be a good one. Also, I'm doing a prank, kind of a prank, on the wife. So I got the pedal commander installed in the charger. I know I said I wasn't going to do it, but I did anyways. Third time the charm. So hopefully it's gonna work properly. So far so good. I've had it installed all day long today. Zero issues. I'm gonna make sure I turn it off every time I turn off the car, because I think maybe that was the problem. So we're gonna, test it out, and hopefully when we prank the wife, hopefully she notices the difference. We're gonna see if she knows any more torque or anything like that. So it should be kind of interesting. And yeah, should be a good video, guys. So stay tuned and talk to you guys in a sec. We're off to the car meet, dude. Notice anything different about the car right now?
Me?
Yeah.
Thinking on taxi?
No, not that. You don't know anything? Or feel anything extra?
You have a pedal commander?
Extra torquey maybe? Yes, I have my pedal commander in. Surprise! So exciting! Alright guys, so we're on the way to the car meet. I will see you guys in a few minutes. Mustang. It's cool. Hey? This is the Shelby Mustang. I like the hood on it.
I do, yeah.
No.
I can get that for the charger.
Can you?
Yeah. I've seen
like
some
ours.
pictures.
I like the hood on our charger.
Police really don't like that.
Yeah. This is nice.
How are you doing?
Good.
I like the lights.
You brought it. That's awesome.
Okay, so motorcycle broke on me the other
What do
day.
you think, kiddo?
No.
What's your take on that?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be loud. Ready? It's gonna be a loud one.
Really nice audio right here, guys.
Looks like it's matte.
Yeah, this is all carbon fiber. That's carbon fiber. You can kind of see it close. Can't really see it in the dark, but yeah, really nice. Get the big old motor in the back. V10. Yeah, not too many cars here, guys, but it's a pretty good meet for Saturday. I'm glad, kind of glad we made it out, other than yesterday with all that pouring rain. But yeah, a lot of cars here. All kinds. My kid's got a pretty sweet rig. It's like a Lamborghini on wheels right here.
Second hand, bro.
The Mustang again. Alright, got her the old Tim Hortons crispy chicken wraps. It's gonna be good. Hot chocolate and donuts. I think this is it. Alright guys, it's time to get out of here. Kids gotta get to bed. So just happy I made it to another meet. It's been a little while, so we're gonna cruise home. So don't forget to smash the like button if you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you guys know when all my videos are posted. Stay up to date with the channel and everything else. So yeah, see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.